In this video, I'm going to fix my tired nails. It's been 5 weeks. I tried nail hack that didn't really work, and I have lifting to the point that my hair always gets stuck every time I try to wash it. Coming up. Hello guys, this is Anastasia. This is what my fresh set looked like 5 weeks ago. And it was after nail hack. If you haven't seen this video, I will leave the link down below. Even though it looked great, I still had lifting in a couple of areas, and this is what is going to happen 5 weeks later. Even if you have a small area of lifting, it is going to grow if you just leave it the way it is. 5 weeks is a lot of time, and my feel is definitely overdue by now. I just didn't have time for myself as usual, so I'm going to take off this set and get a new one. So first I clip off the free edge, and then I'm going to file off the product. I have polygel, and on some nails I also have soft gel tips on top. I was trying to use soft gel tips as dual forms, but I did it in the wrong way, so I ended up having a hard time taking them off. As the result, I had a little lifting in the corners, which didn't look that bad 5 weeks ago, but then it started growing. Having a large amount of lifting on your nails is really bad, especially for long periods of time. It's not about it doesn't feel good and comfortable and the hair may get stuck every time you wash it. It's also bad and damaging for your nails. Every time we apply any kind of product onto the nail plate, it is supposed to adhere to it. But when it's lifting, it's the opposite. It's not attached to it anymore. That means the area where we do not have lifting will be responsible for holding this product, and there will be definitely extra weight and extra pressure on it. That's why when you take the product off, you may notice red or white spots under the product. This nail index finger had lifting from the beginning in the corner, and it was really small, but after 5 weeks it got bigger, and now almost the entire surface of the nail bed area is lifted. Just take a look, and right under the product I have these whitish spots. Finally, I took this product off. This is what my nails look like. Well, they are a little damaged, but overall not bad. And finally, I'm getting myself a fresh gel set. First, we're going to start with the prep. I'm going to gently push back the cuticles with orange wood stick. I have no idea what happened, but it seems like I have less skin on my cuticles area now, which means the prep is going to be a little faster than usual. I'm going to use a diamond flame-shaped bit with red abrasive mark. The speed is 16,000 rotations per minute. I'm using this bit not only to push back the cuticles and clean this area, but also for the sidewalls and any kind of dry skin you may notice around the nail. I had coffin-shaped nails for more than a month now, and I miss pointy shapes. So I think I'm going to do an almond nails for myself. By the way, I think this is one of the most comfortable shapes if you want to have long nails. The prep is almost finished. I set the form, and then I apply dehydrator, non-acid primer, and a thin layer of base coat. Cure it in LED for 30 seconds. Gel I'm going to use is Cover Pink Builder by Red Iguana. I love the consistency. It's medium thick, so for me it's perfect for application. It's not too runny because it's medium, and at the same time it's not extremely thick, and it's self-leveling. I also love this color. It looks so natural and I think matches with my skin pretty good. I'm going to start with the free edge, cure it for 30 seconds in LED, and then proceed with the structure of the nail. Usually I apply the gel on top of the entire surface, and then I take more to build the structure. And the rule is pretty simple. A little product near the cuticle and along the sidewalls, and the majority of the product is going in the center where we need to build the apex. I worked with red iguana gels before, and another thing I really like about them is they're not burning, because my nails are pretty sensitive and most products have heat spikes, but not this one. Then I cure it for 1 minute, take the product off, and finally I have a new set. But I'm going to add some color on the top. By the way, I already showed my nails a little bit on Instagram as I was doing something and got so many compliments from you guys. And also I noticed that you've been asking like what color did I use, how did I create this design. So now I'm going to show you. I took off the sticky layer and then I'm going to file and shape them. But mostly I need to do the shape. As you can see, the surface of the nail is already pretty good. 180 grit file is for shaping. I would like to make sure that I have a matching shape on each nail, and then I'm going to use 220 buffer to buff the surface to make it super smooth, especially the cuticle area and the sidewalls. And this is what they look like now. I think I already like this look, but let's make it a little bit more fun than just nude nails, and I'm going to use a rainbow cat eye gel polish by Betsy. I will show you one of the ways on how to use it, and I think this way looks awesome when you have any kind of pointy shape. I'm also going to use a plastic clip to push back my puffy sidewalls. I will leave the link to this product as well because I noticed that you guys are asking about it. Apply 1 coat of magnet cat eye gel polish, but the layer should not be super thin because we would like to see more sparkles. Then take a magnet and just draw a circle around the nail, and this is how you will get this beautiful circle-shaped rainbow look. From one angle, it is going to look like we have just plain nude nails, but from another one, you will see all these beautiful rainbow dimensions. When I posted another video of how I'm doing my opposite hand, some of you noticed the design on this one and asked me about the color, so now you know the recipe. This is Pink Builder Gel by Red Iguana with Rainbow Magnet Cat Eye Gel Polish on top. This rainbow gel polish is clear, so it doesn't have any color by itself, and you can use it on top of any color. You can also use it without the magnet, and it is going to work like a Holo top coat. Well, no, not like a top coat, like a Holo gel polish, because you need another top coat on top anyways. This time I had such a bad overdue for a feel that my nails were actually hurting. Let me know, guys, if you know this feeling when your nails are outgrown to the point that it just feels extremely uncomfortable, and now it feels so good to finally have a fresh new set of nails. This time I give myself and you a promise that I'm going to do feel on time. And I continue doing the same design. I just wanted something plain but with a little sparkle, so I'm just going to do this rainbow design on all of my nails. When I just had this design, I just couldn't get enough of it. I was playing all the time. Just look at this. Now it's beautiful sparkle and now it disappears. We do not see any shine at all. By the way, I didn't do this on purpose. I mean, I didn't really plan to have this set for 5 weeks, but it just happened because sometimes you just don't have enough time for yourself, while everyone around you always have beautiful nails, of course, because I'm using all my family members as my models all the time. My mom, my grandma, my cousin. And now I finished the design and I'm going to seal it with the glossy top coat and cure in LED for 1 minute. And the set is finished. Let me know, guys, what do you think? Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time here on my channel, consider subscribing, as I post new tutorials just like this one every week. See you in my next one. Goodbye!